This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sharon Alexander. Incredible custom home /a spacious living room that flows into a nice dining area and beautifully remodeled kitchen /a gas range, by microwave, DBL ovens, new cabinets, and countertops. Nice laundry room, spacious master suite /a full bath and French doors out to the large fully fenced backyard with a 10x20 studio /power. 18 by 24 garage/shop with 110 and 220 power. Remodeled main bath /custom features, newer vinyl windows, weatherization, electrical box. Gated RV parking and large driveway too. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Alexander at 503